Friday night tool news. You have to hear this one. This is crazy. There's a bunch of stuff happening in the tool community, in the tool realm. There are 3 major announcements that I want to tell you about today, and this is why I'm making this emergency video. Number 1, Makita is saying that they're the next adventure. What are they talking about? Are they actually going to bring an update to the LXT battery? That's the one that we all Makita lovers have been wishing for. Perhaps they're going to update the batteries with the SAC batteries like DeWalt and Flex. We could only hope. Perhaps it's an ATV that's battery powered. We don't know. But Makita has teased that October 3rd, there's going to be an announcement regarding your next adventure. So hopefully they bring out something super cool that we've all been waiting for. I don't know what it is. If you do, put it in the comments. All us Makita lovers would love to know. The second announcement. Harbor Freight is giving away some free flashlights. This isn't as big as the first one and the third announcement, but it's still somewhat important if you're cheap like me and like free stuff. Go to Harbor Freight, go right now, no purchase necessary, and they'll give you a free little flashlight. Those little flashlights would come in super handy for those that are in trouble, like in Florida, or going through hard times, or you mechanics that do DIY work, just to have it in your bag or in your case, just to grab real quick and throw a quick flashlight. It's battery powered. They're throwaways, or you can keep them and reuse them or experiment with them. There's tons of YouTube channels out there that open them up and do all kinds of stuff with them. The third announcement that you have to hear is what is going on with Milwaukee. Milwaukee is taking over. My buddy Fluffy Mexitech over there just went ahead and beat me to the announcement. I was in the middle of filming this video while he was doing his live stream, and he beat me to this video. Anyways, the point is this. Did Matco just say that they're going to go ahead and slow down on their product line in regards to cordless power tools for techs? The Infinium line is going to stay. At least I think it is. But they're going to augment their tool selection with Milwaukee. And my question is, are they going to white label Milwaukee, or are they going to just purely resell it? All the tool trucks are going to start carrying Milwaukee. The only outlier is Snap-on, guys. Are you serious? What's happening here? Does it make more business sense to resell Milwaukee than it is to carry your own cordless power tool brand for technicians, for professionals on the tool truck? I don't know. What I do know is that this gives yet another upper leg to Milwaukee to continue taking over. So Flex could have came in, throwing some punches in the construction realm, but Milwaukee is out to not only take over the construction realm, but take over the automotive realm. Guys, this is a major announcement. And if you want to know where I got the info, check it out. I got it right here. Let's watch.
Well, it looks like we got one flag out of the way, dude. Maybe Snap-on's next to fall.
Who's gone?
Matco fell on their power tools and going Milwaukee.
Really?
Yeah. So one flag down. One to go. So Matt going by DeWalt.
Matco's
going Milwaukee.
When is this gonna happen?
Soon.
Holy crap! And everybody, they just pimped that expensive line out that everybody said was great.
I'm curious to see how they say it. I'm curious to see how they get around that.
Dude, they weren't cheap, man. They were more expensive than Snap-on.
Well, that's always the way it is with Matco. Exclusive.
It's crazy, dude.
Yeah. So it looks like they might have jumped ship.
Wow.
So Snap-on's probably next.
You think so?
Well, they're losing the fight.
But yeah,
they're losing the fight, dude.
They got some loyal guys, though, man.
Yeah, but eventually, dude. I mean, the brains come. At the end, dude. It's about bottom line, dude. Matco probably had a bunch of problems dealing with warranty issues, or who knows.
I'm sure that's what it was.
All right, guys, isn't that insane? My buddy Power Stroke Jude on the tool truck at TTS broke the news. That's my source. But it's not my only source, because people are talking about it. Guys, for the latest tool news, check out Ed the Old Tech Guy, and subscribe to all my friends, because you never know what's going to happen. If you can't watch all these different channels and stay abreast to all these different Facebook pages and all these different channels talking about tools, don't worry. Stay tuned to me, Ed the Old Tech Guy, and I will fill you in as best I can with different mods, DIY projects, tool news, all that stuff. This is Ed the Old Tech Guy telling you I love you, and I'm signing off.